Everyone, and welcome to KDTechs, your one-stop channel for learning programming, improving your coding skills, and solving real-world technical issues. Whether you're just starting out or looking...
Hi everyone, you must be wondering how did I turn this image into video. So what you need to do is to go to the hedra.com. From the hedra.com, what you need to do is to upload your picture in audio script and choose any prompt from this box to generate your video accordingly. So what I did is I went to the ChatGPT and I generate a speech for me, or you can say some introduction speech for me, and I just copy that speech and go to the hedra.com, and in the audio script I will choose the generate speech, and there I will post my script. And after posting my script, I will choose a voice. For me, I usually choose the Todd, the greatest gospel concert. So I choose a Todd as my audio voice, and then add to my video. And after that, I will just go to the image frame, and I will just upload some image. So for me, I will choose Tom Cruise. So make sure you have like a complete head and arms visible in the picture, and you will click open, and then from prompt your character, either you type here or you can just generate by clicking the inspire me. Person looks away gratefully, fronts raise their arms up and down happily. So this is the one I choose last time, so this time I will choose differently. Person look at the camera, person smile, person look at the camera, move and up and down happily, and what else, person smiles. So after creating our prompts, so what we need to do is to click this generate will consume 75 credits. So I have like 301 credits, free credits, because my one is the trial version. So I will just click on generate.
Hedra's Character 3 is here.
High quality.
So
AI-powered character animation.
So what it says, once the generation is complete, you will find the assets in your library. So what you need to do is to click continue. Yeah, this thing is moving, is progressing, so it means your video is under progress. So now your video is in the queue. In a while it will be progress, and after that, once it's generated, you will find your video just right in front of you. So we will wait here until our video is completed, then I will show you again. So once the video is done,
Hey everyone, and welcome to KDTechs, your one-stop channel for learning programming, improving your coding skills, and solving real-world technical issues.
So what you can do is you can download the videos by clicking this icon. Or one thing more you need to keep in mind that you can choose different characters, but that one is available on the premium, and choose the different bitrate and the video quality and also the timing duration. You can
Hey everyone, and welcome to KDTechs, your one-stop channel for learning programming.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.